Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing the dollar store slime challenge. Now before I get on with that challenge, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to become a member of the Kawaii Slime Club. And also, I hope you guys had a happy New Year's. It's now 2018. I'm so excited, and yeah. Also comment down below what you want to win for the giveaway, because I will make a video on that, and I just want to know what you guys want to win for the giveaway. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I went to the dollar store and they had a bunch of cool things. So I'm going to show you what I got. And yeah, so I got this tacky glue. I got these like glittery pom-poms. I got this shaving cream. Oops, sorry for that. I got this white glue, and this actually came in a 2-pack, so yeah. I got these rubber bands. I got some lotion. I got 4 like eyeshadow powders. So I got this purple. I got this gold. I have this pink one. And I have this silver one. And some of these items I won't be using, so comment down below also if you want me to do a part 2 to this. So then I have these neon pom-poms. I got these just regular, not glittery pom-poms. Got these beads, these googly eyes. And this is the other glue bottle from the 2-pack. I have these paints, these glittery paints, micro foam beads, and like regular size foam beads. And I am so surprised that they had all of this stuff, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, I also got popsicle sticks. I got some bowls, some little measuring sticks, more bowls, and some containers. So the only thing I did not find there was some activator. So I'm just going to be using borax as my activator. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first slime I'm going to be making is this. I'm going to use some tacky glue, and I'm going to add in some pom-poms. And I think I'm going to make this. What color should I make this? Actually, should I leave this white? I think I'll just leave it white so the pom-poms can like see through it all and everything. Okay, I just opened up my popsicle stick pack. So I've seen this challenge go around on YouTube, and it seems super fun, so I wanted to try it. And yeah, I was super surprised on how much stuff that I've found. So here's the glue. I'm just going to pour a little. I'm only going to be making small batches of slime, not like jumbo sizes. So these aren't exact measurements at all. So okay, so this glue right away is super thick. So I can like barely get it out of the bottle here. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit more. I can like not get any of this out. Okay. So, that is super thick glue. Ugh. Okay, I'm trying to get the most out as I can, but it is so hard to get out. So, I think that's how much I'm going to use, because that's like all I can get out. So now I'm actually going to add a little bit of this like glitter paint. So I'm going to add some red glitter paint. And you guys, all of these items that I got were only $1 each, which was crazy. But it was totally awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's like 2 sales on this. Whoa. And just to let you know, I'm going to be making 4 slimes today. Okay, and you have like a little trash pile. So, oh, and I also forgot to mention, where is it? I cannot find it. I also got a glitter pack, but I cannot seem to find it right now. I have no clue why. Okay, so anyways. Okay, so here's the paint. I'm gonna add some. I don't think it'll really dye the slime. I think it just might add a little bit of shimmery glitter to it. So actually, okay, I think it's gonna dye it just a tad bit. But it's definitely super duper thick. So if you guys get tacky glue, just know that it's very, very thick. Oh, here it is, you guys. Sorry, I forgot to mention, I also got silver pigment, this glitter set, and these things, clear glue, and then 2 white glues. Sorry, I forgot to mention those. Okay, so now I'm just going to activate it. So I'm just using my activator. Yeah, it's definitely really, really thick. And also comment down below if you want me to do more challenges like this, because they are pretty fun. Okay, so I'm gonna keep adding some activator. Okay, trying to get this activated here. Okay, so it's not really activating. I think I'm gonna go get a stronger borax mixture, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got a stronger borax mixture here, because I don't think that one was strong enough. But I don't know if they'll have, if you're going to get stuff from the dollar store, I'm not sure if they'll have these pom-poms or the foam beads, because they were like Christmas ones, because this says they were fake snow, and so I'm not sure if they'll have it anymore. But if you do want some, try to get it as quick as you can, because they're probably going to be out. Okay, so just mix that up. Hopefully this is stronger borax. That will work. Okay, here we go. So it's starting to clump together. So guys, I'm actually probably going to do a part 2 to this. So stay tuned for that. So this is taking quite a bit of time to activate. I don't know why. I haven't used tacky glue. So, okay, so it seems to be activating, but in a very weird way. Okay, that is super duper weird. Okay. Just gonna keep trying to activate it. Okay, so it seems to be coming off these sides. I'm gonna leave it a little bit sticky for the beads to stick into there. So let me just grab all of this off of this side. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my pom-poms here. So I think I'm gonna be adding in some smaller ones at the bottom there. I'm sorry if my hands are kind of messy. I'm just gonna dump them all out. So I can just grab a few and dump them in. So this one's more of a Christmassy slime. Oops. Okay, so gonna mix these ones in right now. Oops. Okay, gonna add a little bit more. Hopefully they'll stick in. I don't know. Sorry you guys, this video is already super duper long. Okay. So they're kind of sticking in. It gave it a super weird texture. So it's not very stretchy, but it looks super cool. So there's my first slime. That's done. So now I'm gonna move on to my next slime. I'm just gonna keep that in there. Okay, so now moving on to my next slime. My next slime I'm gonna do is a fluffy slime with some, these are gonna be, I'm gonna use the colorful ones as sprinkles. So yeah. So they actually did have some white school glue, which I was super surprised about. But yeah, I went to the Dollar Tree. So if you don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, you might want to go to a different dollar store or something. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna shake up my shaving cream. So I'm also gonna be adding lotion to this one. So yeah. So this one's not as like, or not really as fluffy, but like as squirty or as foaming up as the other shaving creams I've used. Okay. So there's that one. And I think I'm going to color this one. So this one I think will be, this one's going to make it like a pink red color. If I can get this opened. Okay. I'm going to add some paint in. So I think I'm going to make it darker, maybe, probably. Because of the shaving cream, it made it a bit lighter. Okay, so that's a good color. It's like, it looks a lot lighter on camera. But it's this really pretty light pink color. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate it. Hopefully this one activates easier than that tacky glue. Okay, yeah, this one's definitely activating way quicker and easier. And I'm gonna actually add, I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion. So there's that. Okay, it's starting to clump together. This glue's a little weird. It's different than the other glues I've used. So I'm just gonna keep adding activator, and it's starting to clump together. Okay. So I think it's ready to be played with because it's coming off the sides. So this one's super fluffy. So I'm going to add a little bit of activator to my hands. So I'm just going to start kneading it. Okay, so here's my fluffy slime. So now what I'm going to do is, okay, so now I'm going to add in my like sprinkles or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to grab a pair of scissors. Okay, grab a pair of scissors. So I'm just going to open up the bag. I'm just going to grab some of the colorful ones. So like there's this red and blue, and green. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this and then just kind of cut some little sprinkles into there. So this one's kind of like a cake batter type one. Okay, so now I'm going to do some of the blue. I'm not going to do all the blue. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit of red. Okay, so those are all these sprinkles I'm going to add into there. So it looks pretty cute, so now I'm just going to mix them in. So that actually looks super cute, you guys. I never thought rubber bands would be good for sprinkles and slime, so that's like a hack there. So this was part 1 of the Dollar Store Slime Challenge. If you want to see part 2, make sure to go check it out. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a member of the Kawaii Slime Club. Bye guys!